This is the collaborative classroom. The new classroom was designed to create an interactive, collaborative learning environment for our students. It's the transition from a teacher-led classroom to a student-centered classroom. It allows students to sit in groups and use the rolling chairs and rolling tables to create other ad hoc groups. The instructor is able to duplicate his or her computer to 5 touchscreen interactive monitors. Then, students are able to wirelessly share their laptop, tablet, or cell phone screen to the monitor for their group. Up to 4 students can share their laptop to a monitor at the same time. Students can also use annotation features to annotate or write over their projected laptop screen, or they can create a blank canvas to brainstorm ideas. This classroom fosters such educational methodologies as interdepartmental education, kinesthetic learning, problem solving, inquiry-based learning, active learning, and collaborative groups, to name a few.